Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bella Natana Putri from the Economic Education Study Program with NIM 17016241113, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. This is my video explanation of the present perfect tense and past perfect tense for English assignment with lecture Bisir Tilastuti SPD and SD. Okay, the first one we're gonna talk about learning goals. There is 3 learning goals. The first is students can understand the definition, characteristic, and features of present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Second, student can understand the formula of present perfect tense and past perfect sentence pattern. And third, student can practice and make present perfect tense and past perfect tense sentence. Definition of present perfect tense is a sentence pattern used to express past action or event that are still ongoing today. It means that the action is still continue and unfinished. The function of present perfect tense are indicates an action or situation that started in the past and still continuing today, indicate action taken during a period of time that has not yet been complete or ended, expressed achievement and result, indicates repeated action in an unspecified period between the past and present, indicates an action that has just finished or ended, expressed with just. Next, the characteristic of present perfect tense. First, focus on events that started in the past but are still ongoing in the present. Talks about past action that recently finished and we are still seeing the result or consequences. We can use present perfect to talk about the future. In case, we add clauses like before, after, etc. to the sentence. The term of present perfect tense consists of adding the present of have or has followed by the past participle or verb 3 of the main verb. On present perfect tense, we also can add time expression like already, just, recently, lately, ever, yet, for, and since. Already it's mean sudah, just it's mean baru saja, recently it's mean baru-baru ini, lately it's mean akhir-akhir ini, ever it's mean pernah, yet it's mean belum. For plus adverb during time, it for example is for 3 years, artinya selama 3 tahun, and since plus adverb during time, for example is since 2 hours ago, it's mean sejak 2 jam yang lalu. There is the formula of present perfect tense, especially formula nominal sentence. For the positive sentence, we can use subject IUDW plus have been complement or subject he she it plus has been complement. For example is we have been here since last month. And for the negative sentence, we can use subject IUDW with have not been complement and subject he she it plus has not been plus complement. For example is he has not too well lately. And for the interrogative sentence, we can use have for subject IUDW plus been plus complement and has for subject he she it plus been plus complement. For 5W1H question plus have or has plus subject plus been plus complement. For example is have you ever been sad? Next, formula verbal sentence of present perfect tense. If on the nominal sentence, we use nominal and been as a verb replacement. On the verbal sentence, we use verb 3 as a main verb. So, formula for the positive sentence is subject plus have or has plus past participle or verb 3 plus complement. For example, she has worked here for 5 years. And for negative sentence, we can use subject plus has or have plus not plus past participle or verb 3 plus complement. For example, they have not heard my voice. And for integrative sentence, we can use have or has plus subject plus past participle or verb 3. And for 5W1H question, we can use what, when, who, where, how plus have or has plus subject plus past participle or verb 3 plus interrogative. For example, has she known about the party? If the present perfect tense, we talk about an activity or an action that are still continue. The past perfect tense is a sentence pattern to illustrate that an action in the past was complete before another action also in the past occurred. And the function of past perfect tense are express an action that has been complete, indicate how often something happened or was done repeatedly in the past, indicate a past action that occurred before another past action, to create reported speech or reported text, to talk about time up to a certain point. Characteristics of past perfect tense are the past perfect tense help define the chronological order of events. The past perfect tense is used to express an action that happened before another action in the past. The perfect tense is created from this pattern: subject plus has plus verb 3, so we add the past tense of the verb has, which is had, followed by the verb 3 of the main verb. The perfect tense is created by inserting conjunction such as subordinating conjunction and using frequency verb. We also can adding at verb of time like before, after, when, until, just, as soon as, by the time. Before it's mean sebelum, after it's mean sesudah, when it's mean ketika, until it's mean sampai, just it's mean baru saja, as soon as it's mean secepatnya, by the time it's mean pada saat itu. And the last one is formula of past perfect tense. If on the present perfect tense, we divided the subject into two, like she, it use has, and Ayu Dewi use have. So on the past perfect tense, we only use had that are able to all subject. So for positive sentence, we use subject plus had plus past participle or verb 3. For the example, the train had just left when I arrived at the station. And for the negative sentence, we use subject plus had plus not plus past participle or verb 3. And for the example is, she had not studied Japanese before she moved on Japan. And the interrogative sentence, we can use had plus subject plus past participle or verb 3 plus interrogative. For the example is, had the woman cried until the morning